I must say, Cobra Commander, traveling in our own vehicles to our own business meetings is one thing, but for us to be transporting around in a thing like this seems a bit too much, wouldn't you say?
What's the matter with my car, Destro?
It can attract quite a bit of attention.
Attention, you say? You're one to talk with you and that Baroness flashing your money around any chance you get.
You do have a point.
Damn, that's a nice car. How much do you want for it?
I tried to tell you.
She's not for sale. Besides, you couldn't afford her anyway.
Well, in that case, we'll just take the keys. Give them up, you chrome-headed freak.
At least let me show you how it functions. You see, this button here activates the lighting functions. Observe. Seems simple enough, right?
Oh yeah, those are nice.
This next one is my favorite. But wait! There's more!
Drop your weapons. Surrender to Cobra. Failure to comply will result in immediate termination.
Let's get out of here, man!
Wait! Where are you going?
I have a feeling you wanted something like this to happen.
You might be right. I just love technology.
Today, we're actually going to be reviewing the Veeniix transforming RC car, model V991. I personally have always wanted to get my hands on an RC transforming vehicle. I mean, who doesn't, right? If you're a fan of Transformers and you always wanted a toy that could transform right in front of you, come on now. It's a dream come true. So, Roku, thank you very much for letting that dream come true here. I'll flip this open right here. Wow, man. This is a pretty big car. Now, from what I've heard, there are some copycats of this product, some that may be cheaper, but they're not going to be more than likely the same size as this. They're a lot smaller, and they also lack the features that this one has. So, I'm really glad I got the real deal here. And how big this car is it's already looking like a pretty good scale to match with my 6-inch figures. Okay, wow, man. So here we have the V991. Look how shiny that bad boy is. Very fancy, man. And the color is just so nice. It's that royal shiny blue. If you go to the bottom here, you can actually see the bot folded up inside, ready to transform. And the wheels are very good quality because they're rubberized material. I'm really glad it came with rubberized wheels because something about RC cars, man, those plastic wheels, very cheap. When you're actually having them roll on a surface, you could just hear the cheap plastic crunching over any type of dust or debris you may have on the floor. It's just, I can't stand cars that have those plastic wheels, so very happy they came with rubberized wheels. And then you have the very good detail in the lights, too, so what I'm really excited to see is these lights actually power on as well as the headlights. So next we have the actual remote here. Very cool looking remote. So at the top you have your actual antenna. You have your on and off switch right here in between. This top button seems to be the sensing button. On this button you have the light functions. This one over here, you click this and the vehicle could actually play music, which I'm pretty stoked to hear. Apparently you could play some techno while you're driving. At the bottom here you have a demonstration mode, and then of course the very sweet center you have the transforming mode, where it can transform and also do its deformation. I really like the design of the remote too. It looks very cool, very futuristic. Alright, so I have the battery set in there. I went ahead and switched that tab to close so it doesn't pop open while I'm driving it. Oh yeah! I'm gonna go ahead and transform the vehicle. You guys ready for this? 1, 2, 3. That is awesome. And transform down. So first off, you can see the head. Very awesome, man. And going down to the chest plate here, you have the LED light inside there. Going down, you see the legs. You got the robot's feet down here. Very cool, man. I like that.